Hey guys, today I have a very simple, everyday, no makeup look. Let's go ahead and jump right on in. Alright, so first thing I'm going to be doing is my brows. Now I normally do these off camera, but today I figured I would share since the look is super simple and I really feel like the brows are like kind of like a statement to this as well. I love bushy natural brows for a natural everyday look, so I'm just going to go ahead and brush them up using this e.l.f. Clear gel, and this is the duo version, so it does have a clear mascara and then a clear brow gel as well. So I'm going to go ahead and fluff them up. I have a full brow video on how I like to do them, which I will leave below for you. For the pencil, I'm going in with the Bold Face Makeup. This is a brow pencil, and it will have shades and everything listed below. So I'm just going to go ahead and emphasize my natural brow hairs, just fake a few, and add a little bit more into that sparse area, as well as cleaning up the underneath section of my brow with this pencil. I absolutely love it, and I really don't fill them in too much. I like to have that, again, feathery type of look. So I just add a little bit and then brush it in. For the skin, this is the most important part because this whole look is based off of natural looking skin, like you're glowing from within and just super radiant. So I'm going to be using the Bloom Effects Tulip Nectar to go ahead and use as my moisturizer today. And I'm just going to be applying a little bit to my skin. You really only need a dot of this stuff and it is super nourishing. Your skin just looks so healthy and I'm just so obsessed with it. So I'm going to rub that all over. So for this look, since it's not requiring a lot of products, I'm going to be using this Ole Henriksen Banana Bright Eye Cream to help our under eye area. It's going to help with the appearance of any darkness and all of that, and also keep it hydrated as well. For face primer today, I'm going with the Ole Henriksen Banana Bright Primer. I'm just going to be using a little bit towards the T-zone area and cheeks, and a little bit on the forehead as well, and pat it into the skin. So to get started on the skin today for this look, I'm going to be taking the NYX Born to Glow Concealer. This is a very nice skin-like concealer, very fresh and airy kind of, and I'm going to be applying this directly underneath my eyes first. And I know I'm doing this step first today, but that's because we're using more of this and a little bit of foundation mixed together, but more so the concealer for the look. So I'm going to apply it in all of these areas, and then I'm going to take the Wander Beauty Nude Illusion foundation, and I'm going to dot it all over my skin, anywhere I feel like I would need a little bit more coverage, so like the underneath of my contour area, things like that, just for a little bit of coverage. And then I'm going to go in with this OFRA Beauty sponge and blend all of this together, starting out with the foundation area, so wherever I dotted. And then I'm going to blend the concealer in with that. I first off love the way this looks because it's such a thin coverage, but just enough coverage to look like it's your skin but better. It is so beautiful. I absolutely love it. And that concealer is so light, but also gives a beautiful coverage to the skin. So I'm loving both of those in conjunction. So I'm going to go ahead and blend all of this together. Once I've done that, I'm going to go in with this Laura Mercier flat concealer brush, and I'm just going to take a little bit more of that concealer and pat over top of that general area and a little bit on the blemishes just to make sure that those are all covered and concealed. And this part is obviously optional, but I do like to just go back just to make sure that it is kind of sunk into the skin, but also enough coverage for my liking. For a bronze today, I'm taking my favorite Milk Makeup bronzing stick and this sponge. I'm going to tap a little bit on the sponge and start applying directly to the skin using patting motions right into the contour area. This product, you guys, sinks so far into the skin where it doesn't just lay on top of the surface of your skin. Like, it looks like you actually have a nice, pretty like sun-kissed glow happening on your skin that's just so natural. I'm so about this product. I'm obsessed. You guys have probably seen me use this for years, and I just kind of use it in that same exact area. Just go back and forth on that contour area right on my cheekbone, and then I bring it up to my temples, forehead, and then like the sides of my nose, just so it looks like a really natural sun-kissed bronze. I totally recommend using cream products when doing a look like this. I absolutely adore it, and it just really emphasizes your features but gives the look like it is your skin that is having this beautiful, beautiful bronze and beautiful glow. Once I've done that all over the skin, I'm going to go ahead and take an angled brush and just do a little bit of that same bronzer on the sides of my nose, just to kind of give a quick contour and shape it up just a little bit. For a very natural blush to the skin, I'm taking this CoverGirl Clean Fresh Cream Blush in the color Butterflies. It is such a pretty color, very much my tone of blush because it's a little bit deeper and mauve-like. And I'm just going to take a tiny dot on my fingers because it is so pigmented and put it right on the apples of my cheeks, and it melts right in. Love it. For a little bit of setting powder, I'm taking the Haley's Beauty Retouch Setting Powder on this small brush and just tapping it ever so lightly underneath my eyes and a little bit on my eyelids as well. This is just going to help prevent the creasing under my eyes and just give a really airbrushed effect under there. I'm not going to be setting the entire skin. Now that is up to you if you would like to. I would recommend it. For me personally, when I do a look like this, I don't want to set my entire skin because I still want to have the appearance of skin and not like a powdery finish, if that makes sense. So it's totally all up to you. You can definitely do a light sweeping. Today I'm just going to emphasize my natural lashes using the L'Oreal Butterfly Mascara and an eyelash curler. So I'm going to first start off by curling up my lashes just very gently. And then I'm going to take that mascara, which is waterproof. I find whenever I use a waterproof mascara, it just makes my lashes look a little bit longer and stay all day like put. So I'm just going to apply it a little bit on my lashes and a tiny bit on the lower lashes as well. Also, I did not add any highlighter to my cheeks or anything. The glow that you're seeing is like that glow from within, definitely coming from the moisturizer and also the products that we used before and the mist that I'm going to use afterwards. But yeah, I was pretty shocked that I did not use any highlighter. I did want to go ahead and add a little bit more of that bronzer with that sponge just to emphasize it a little bit more and give a little bit more of a bronzy vibe to the look. I absolutely love it. I'm serious, it just melts into the skin and it looks so fresh and like flawless. Like, I'm obsessed. Taking LA Girl Luminous Glow, I'm just going to apply a tiny bit onto my nose. Taking Milk Makeup Kush Lip Glaze, I'm going to pop that onto my lips. This is so nourishing on my lips and keeps them looking and feeling so good. I'm going to give a quick little spritz of the Pixie Glow Mist just to make sure we have that nice glowing appearance to the skin and everything is super fresh. And then that pretty much wraps up this whole look on this very simple, easy, everyday glam, like the no makeup look. It's one of my favorites. I go to this look a lot. So fresh and like awake-like. I believe that is all. I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye.